Hello and welcome. I'm Nicola from Perun Moto, and today we'll show you our top luggage rack for KTM 1290 and 1390 Adventure R or S. Recently KTM launched 1390 Adventure. This is R model, so this is a good chance to talk a little bit about our product that we designed for 1290, but it works perfectly on 1390. This is our billet rack. Billet because it is milled out of solid piece of aluminum. It is not just cut on laser or water jet. We did this because we wanted to make it angled, so you can see these 3D angled platforms here, which puts it in ideal angle relative to the seat of the bike. Also, we tried to make it as light as possible, so we have like 3D milled pockets on the underside, made only to make it a little bit lighter while keeping it strong. We also incorporated some of our features like chamfered edges and these shallow pockets for easy installation of top cases. This is made so it can fit with the grab handles or without grab handles, and one of the important features of the rack is that if it is installed with the grab handles, it provides adequate support for the grab handles, so when you pull the grab handles, they rest on the rack, which provides additional strength to the grab handles. So this is our top luggage rack for 1290, 1390, and it is installed with factory grab handles. Now we'll show you how to install it without factory grab handles. As you can see, the rack sits almost flush with the seat, a little bit below the seat line. If you want more sporty look, you can mount the top rack even lower. As you can see, the rack now sits way above the seat line, and it's very close to the tail plastics, which provides this sporty look. We've shown the 3 possible configurations of this top luggage rack, and this concludes this video. Thank you for watching and see you soon.